Shoot until the end of this. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daisy for those who don't know me, and those who are returning, thank you so much for your support. I ask you that if you find this video fun, entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. So I wanted to come in here and show you really quick another item from Dress Up Your Purse. I kept saying in the previous video, dress up my purse, and it's actually dress up your purse. And so I wanted to show you an item I mentioned in my giveaway video, which I'll link right up here if you are interested in entering into the giveaway. So in that video, I mentioned that I had some more pieces in mind from that company. So Dress Up Your Purse is a company of a fellow YouTuber that she wanted to establish her own business, and it's a small business, but let me tell you about it. These leather pieces that she makes are made of Togo leather, which is a leather that Hermes uses to make their bags. And the quality and the craftsmanship of these items are amazing. And no, before we go on talking about this item, again, this is not sponsored at all. Dress Up Your Purse does not even know who I am, but I genuinely love these pieces, and I continue to purchase, you know, and make myself a little collection of this company, Dress Up Your Purse. And let me show you, this is the way they come packaged. They come in a regular, you know, box with your address on it, and of course she always puts these little details like a thank you little sticker right there. As you can see, it's so precious how the packaging comes. This is the way it comes. Most of all her bigger items come with a dust bag, unlike the little SLGs. All right, and in the box there's like what I call the walls. I already unboxed this. These are the walls that were inside the item. She also always includes a little thank you card with a, whatchamacallit, coupon code. Yes, go ahead and snap and you can get yourself 15% off with thank you 15. No, this is not a personal discount code. This is just something that she always sends in the box with the items. And this is the way the item came packaged in this beautiful dust bag. The other one that I had a different tie. This one has black tie. And here's the item. Look at how beautiful the grained Togo leather. The my daughter has the Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessory. I'm gonna do an insert right here of the comparison of both sizes, or the comparison. This is what she looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pochette. And this one in particular has the silver hardware, which I don't have. I don't think I have any bags with silver hardware, and I don't have a colorway as this either. This beautiful Tiffany blue color. This is, I hope it comes across exactly the color, and I think, yeah, it does. This is exactly the Tiffany blue color that it is. In the longest length is almost 9 inches or 9 inches. In height, she is 5.5 inches, and in width 1.5 inches. All right, so like I said, she has a silver zipper with the dress up your purse emblem. That smooth zipper. Beautiful, beautiful silver. Like I said, here's the chain, which I'll show you in a minute. I repackaged it just to be able to show you right here in this. And this is the small key pouch that I was saying with the silver hardware as well. This is what inspired this crossbody pochette. As you can see, they're exactly the same colors. Okay, and this pochette I had showed it before, and it exactly like the Louis Vuitton one with its hook for your keys and the attached chain. And it also has the dress up your purse right here as well. And I had put it in here just for reference. And this is what this pochette looks like. I'm sorry, it has this rubbery thing. This is what the pochette looks like inside, with the same material cloth like that the mini pochette has. It has 2 D-rings right here. It doesn't want to focus. I'm so sorry. It has 2 D-rings there at the end, so you can attach the crossbody strap that comes with it, as well as any other strap. And in my case, I purchased an extra strap. Of course, it has the dress up your purse little piece of leather right there. It has a slip pocket, and it's pretty big and generous right there. And it also has a zip pocket at the other side. As you see, very, very generous as well, with its little pull, zipper pull that is still wrapped actually with the emblem of the company as well. Very good size bag, I think, or purse, for the use of what I'm gonna use it for a over my shoulder. Then we have a beautiful strap that it's like a nylon strap. As you see, it's beautiful, beautifully crafted. All right, and this is where you can adjust very easily and make it as long as you want. And then at the end, it has the 2 lobster clasp type of closure. Beautiful strap, goes perfect across the body. Of course, this is the type of strap that I'm not madly in love with because it goes in between my chest and it doesn't look as good as it would look on somebody who has a smaller chest. Oh, let me show you what it looks like with its strap. It is very cloudy outside right now, and I'm hoping that the lighting is good here. So this is what it looks like all put together. She is so cute, and like I said, over the shoulder right here, she will look perfect. And also crossbody. I'll insert some mod shots for you so you can see what it looks like in my body type. Right here, crossbody, it falls perfect under my, or on top of my hip. So yes, this is, again, very, very generous when it comes to the strap, right? And easy to take off and on the strap. Very, very easy to do so. And let me show you the extra strap that I got, because I love chains for bags. And I think that having it with a silver, beautiful chain that has the lobster clasps at the end right here, like just like the Louis Vuitton ones, and it also has a little charm that is engraved in Dress Up Your Purse little emblem, and I haven't even taken off the plastic off of that one. But yeah, this chain right here is the one that I most definitely will be using it most with. As you see, it looks so beautiful against that Tiffany blue color. Oh my God. And it falls right here perfectly. Let me see if I can show you. Right there. And it falls just like that. It looks beautiful. I can even cross it over and it falls perfect on where I like it at the waist length. But yeah, this is the chain with the little pochette accessories, and I think it looks beautiful with the silver color chain. It is such a precious little bag, and this is the way I'm mostly gonna use it. So now let me show you really quick what I can fit in it. I have a few things here, like, you know, this is my wallet. I'll put it in here. I'm gonna put it in the zipper right here. No, there you go. And then I'll zip that up. And in here in the large compartment, I can put my regular house keys. I can put at the other corner the hand sanitizer. And the other Dress Up My Purse little SLG that I put my business cards in, and I'll put it right there. As you can see, everything is fitting so great. And then I'll take my AirPods and just put them somewhere in the middle right there. There you go. And then I have my little Laneige, as you know, lip balm, and there you go. You saw how smooth that is to close it up. It gets a little warped with the things that you put inside. So let's just say I want to take out the lip balm, or yeah, I'll take out the lip balm and just put it on. You know, you could play around with your things and just put it right here instead, like so. And there you go. Okay, so this is really a mini size bag so that you can, you know, don't have to fill her up so much, so that she don't look that bulky. Another thing, as you all know, probably what I'm gonna say is that I would do an accessory on her. So with that being said, I have these daisies that have a probably not Tiffany blue, but something really, really close to it, as you see. And I can hang that right there. And I think she would look so, so cute for the summer now with daisies. All right, just to dress her up a little bit. And the noises, ladies, the noises, you know. Yeah, but I think that she looks precious like that. And of course, I would change my LV, the key, this one, the key, I can't think, the key pouch for this one, okay, and put that one instead, that of course, so we can match it up, right? And that one I would put there with less bulk. All right, and there you go. Adorbs, adorbs, adorbs. So cute with the accessory right there. Adorable. Highly recommend this. I'll put the price right here. I'll also link this item down below. They also sell these chains. You can customize it to whatever size you want. So you can make it even shorter. I even thought that I can probably purchase a smaller one so that I can probably cross it this way and make it like a mini pochette, you know, and put it just like that and hang it for decoration and whatnot. But yeah, this is the new addition to my collection from Dress Up Your Purse. And I'm gonna end the video here of this unboxing of this cutie patootie pochette accessory, or an alternative to the pochette accessory from Louis Vuitton. And I think this is affordable, and it's also much, much pretty looking because it comes in totally different colorways. So you can get it with the gold and a different color, or you can get it with the silver and different colors as well. So if you stood until the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I ask you that if you find this video fun, entertaining, give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and don't leave today without subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you, God keep you, and until next time, ciao. Beautiful. Such a pretty bag. My video of this. Okay. No watch, no nothing. Okay, it's okay.